Hello everyone, my name is B.Prawin, Research Scholar, Department of Geography, BHARATHIDASAN University, Tamil Nadu. I am going to present my paper on International Conference on Sustainable Development and Environmental Issues organized by Mandish Mahavidyalaya, Maharashtra. So my topic is in identification of urban sprawl and its trends through land use land cover changes for sustainable urban development in Tirupur city, Tamil Nadu. Introduction. The term urban sprawl will refers to the excessive spatial growth of the city. Excessive spatial growth of the city in the sense the build-up in that core area has been expanded without any planned or uncontrollable way that is called excessive spatial growth of the city. Also the horizontal spreading or dispersed urbanization, the uncontrolled and disproportionate expansion of an urban area into the surrounding countryside, forming low intensity, poor planned patterns of the development. Next, aim and objective of the study. The aim of the study is to identify the urban sprawl and its trends through land use land cover changes in Tirupur city, Tamil Nadu. Objective is that to prepare the land use land cover map for the following years of 1992, 2001 and 2019 to detect the urban changes from 1999 to 2019. Next, the study area. The location of the study area. The Tirupur is located at 10 degree 14 minutes and 11 degree 20 minutes north and 77 degree 27 minutes and 77 degree 56 minutes east of the banks of the Noyal River. The Noyal River is the major river crossing that study area in the central part. Next, the area and position. The total study area has been covered by 199.28 square kilometer. It's only the core of the Tirupur city. It is situated in the center of the South Indian Peninsula. Next, the climate of the study area. The climate of the study area is a tropical climate. The maximum and the minimum temperatures varies between 35 to 22 degrees Celsius. It means that 95 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, the demography. The total population of the city as per 2011 census is 4,44,352 individuals. This map shows the study area, location of the study area in Tamil Nadu. There's a Tirupur. In Tirupur, there's a city of the Tirupur district. My study area is a city of the Tirupur district. Next, the data used and software used. Landsat 5 has been used for mapping of 1992 and 2001. 2001 land use land cover. Then the Sentinel-2 has been used for 2019. Next, the software used RGS 10.1 and ERDAS 9.1 are the software used for this study. And this is a methodology of my study. Landsat 5 has been used for 1992 and 2001 land use land cover map, and Sentinel-1 10-meter resolution has been used for 2019 land use land cover map. These data has been comes under the digital image processing. Then extraction of the layer has been prepared, and then from this layer, supervised classification has been done for the land use land cover. Then the raster conversion and reclassification of the layer has been done, and then finally the urban sprawl change detection has been detected. So this is a methodology of my study. Then result and conclusion. This map is 1992 land use land cover map. See that this red color shows that. The build-up area of the study area. The urban has been developed in the center of the city. The CDP of the city has been increased in 1992. This Noyal River has been flows across the center, across the study area. This yellow color is agriculture area, then white color is a fallow land. Here with the in 1992 the agriculture land is 39.86 square kilometer. The build-up is 16.82 square kilometer. Then fallow land is 139.30 square kilometer. Then the water body is 3.32 square kilometer. In 1992 the fallow land has been the top of this list. Next, in 2001, see that red color has been increased, so that the urban has been expanded. Here the agriculture has been 88.23 square kilometer. Then the build-up has been increased to 29.34 square kilometer. Then the fallow has been decreased to 18.28 square kilometer. Then the water body has been decreased to 1.44 square kilometer. This is a 2019 land use land cover of the study area. These maps clearly shows that the urban how the urban has been expanded. Almost all the parts of the study has been urbanized. It was not in planned way. It has been urbanized in an unplanned manner. So this recolorization build-up area, this is urban of the steady area. In 2019, the agriculture has been reduced to 49.87 square kilometer. The buildup has been increased to 70.64 square kilometer. Then the farmland has been reduced to 78.24 square kilometer. Then the water body has been reduced to 0.54 square kilometer. These farmland and agricultural land was converted into build-up areas. That means the urban areas. So this table is the change direction of the steady area from 1992 to 2019. Next, the expansion of the Tirupur city from 1992 to 2019. This expansion of the Tirupur city has been calculated by this formula, calculated by the method annual land use change rate. From this calculation, we have clearly identified that from 1992 to 2001, the growth rate was 4.74% during 9 years. Then between 2001 to 2019, the growth rate was 7.82% in 18 years. This shows that the gradual increase of the steady area, gradual increase of the urban area of the steady area. These maps clearly shows that how that urban has been expanded. See, in 1992, this is the urban area. In 2001, the urban area has been increased. Then in 2019, that urban area has been drastically increased in the steady area. This shows that the urban sprawl has been done in very rapidly in that steady area. So conclusion and recommendation: the current trends of the urban growth has the most obvious environmental impacts on the surroundings ecosystem, land resources, structure and pattern of the urban area, and hence the quality of the life. Due to this urban expansion, the quality of life has been changed. Then the land resources and the structure of the area has been changed drastically. So it will so that area has been concerned, and this area has to be sustainably developed for the future generation. Then the steady area has undergoes the large urban land use changes in the few years. Therefore, the rapid increase of both the urban build-up expansion leads to the dramatic changes in the land use and land cover, which were witnessed by the sharp decrease in the agriculture and fallow land. The agriculture and fallow land has been decreased, and then it was converted into urban area. So that agriculture has to be developed in that area for a sustainable manner, then for which the planning policies needs to reserve for the proving sustainable environment. Thus the rational urban planning policy must be made to decrease the adverse effect of the urbanization and hence the sustainability of the important urban centers of Tamil Nadu. So these are my reference. Then thank you.